When you stop chasing her and stop being attached to her, what actually happens? Well, many of us guys keep chasing the girl we like, even though she keeps rejecting us. The reason is simple. We feel love for her and want her to be a part of our lives. But this often makes everything complicated until you decide to distance yourself from her. In many cases, when you decide to stop showing interest in her, your attitude will change completely. So stay tuned in this video until the end to understand what the girl feels when you choose to ignore her entirely. Trust me, bro, you'll understand. A lot of things. 1. She will feel confused. The first thing she'll feel is confusion, and this can actually work in your favor. This confusion comes because she's no longer receiving the attention you used to give her. If she's really interested in you or has feelings for you, she will react in a certain way. She'll be forced to take action to get things back to how they were with you. Every girl wants attention, but when they don't get it, they'll realize something's off. Now, this is where you need to be clear about what you want from her, whether it's just friendship or a serious relationship. If you want something serious and she's not showing any attention, it's a sign she's probably not interested in you. If that happens, it's time to change your strategy. Because if she's not valuing you, even though she's getting all the benefits of being with you, it means she's not serious. Don't give everything away without receiving commitment, because if you do, she won't appreciate it. If you keep giving without her showing the same effort, she will get used to receiving everything from you without any effort. But when you stop giving her that attention, she'll notice, and if she's really interested in you, she'll begin. To change point 2, she will start doubting herself next. She'll start doubting herself. Her mind won't stop asking questions, like whether she's done something wrong or if you've met another girl. The fear of losing you will rise, and this will trigger her to react. Many girls in this situation will think you're getting bored of her or the situation. Some might show indifference or rejection. And this is where you'll know if she truly has feelings for you or not. If she starts responding better, congratulations, bro. It means she's beginning to feel the same way. But if not, don't cling to a girl like that. There are thousands of other girls out there. Don't let your world fall apart just because of one girl. Point 3. Don't give attention again too quickly. Remember, bro, time is key. Don't start giving her attention again the moment she notices. If you give her attention too quickly, she'll get what she wants, and her behavior might go back to how it was, which can lead to manipulation and an ego battle. If this happens to you, trust me, she's only interested in her ego. If she stays around just because of that, avoid her. You'll save time and energy by walking away. 4. Focus on yourself at this point. You need to let go of what you can't control. If it's meant to happen, it will. If not, treat it as a lesson. Focus on yourself and look around. Be happy with your decision to distance yourself from someone who doesn't appreciate you and meet new people who will value you. Don't be afraid to walk alone, because sometimes that journey leads to a better place. Remember, bro, life is too short to waste on people who don't appreciate you. Deserve to be happy and get the best. 5. Communication and balance. In relationships, it's crucial to learn when someone is just playing with their ego and when they are genuinely interested. Never underestimate the importance of communication in a relationship. If something's bothering you, talk about it honestly and openly. This not only strengthens the relationship, but also shows that you care about her feelings. If, after trying all of this, nothing changes, maybe it's time to rethink your relationship. Maybe she's not the right one, and that's okay, bro. Letting go of someone is sometimes the best way to find true happiness. Conclusion. So, when you stop chasing and showing real interest, there are several stages that the girl will go through. First, she will feel confused and reflect on her feelings for you. If she's interested, she will try to get your attention back. But if this change is temporary, it could mean she's just playing with your ego then. She will start doubting herself, and her mind won't stop asking questions. Eventually, depending on her feelings, she will either respond more reciprocally or express her feelings. What's important is finding a mutually beneficial relationship. But remember, bro, it's crucial to maintain balance in a relationship. Don't become just a giver without receiving equal effort in return. A healthy relationship is one where both sides give and take, where both people feel valued and appreciated. You need to know when it's time to give and when it's time to pull back to see if she's willing to put an effort for you. I hope this video gave you some insight and helped you recognize the signs. Don't forget to act wisely, stay strong, stay focused, and don't let anyone put you down. Thanks for watching, and I hope it was helpful.